Clients always ask for project updates to be mailed to them. So instead of always sending mail, we are going to create a portal where they can log in and then check the status of their project. We'll be doing that with Lovable. Lovable is a AI code tool that allows you to build fast prototype of web, or not even just prototype. You can develop a full-blown application. It gives non-technical founders that edge, and it also helps technical founders to build project very fast. So we're going to be using Lovable for this project. It's meant to be like a 5 minutes to 5 to 10 minutes video where we just showcase the power of Lovable. So for this app, I'm going to just copy my prompt so we don't waste time, and then we paste. So this is a prompt. Build a client dashboard. Then the login page. Once logged in, the user sees a dashboard with project status, active or pending, a list of recent invoice, data table, and upload document section. Use a sidebar navigation. So that's our prompt. So just click on go. So this lovable building the app. This part here, this section is where you see your prompts, and then you can also chat with Lovable. Then you can also add more prompts to it. While this part here is where you get to preview your project. So for this project, we'll be publishing it. That's the functionality of this button here. So this Lovable replying, I built a sleek professional client portal dashboard inspired by tools like Linear and Notion. So that means it's drawing its design inspiration from Notions. Plain lines, subtle depth, and the trustworthy and navy text color palette. So this is meant to be like version 1. So you just have to give Lovable like 2 to 3 minutes, and then we should see our first prototype. So aside Lovable, we also have other apps like Bold.new that you can also just type in your prompt, and then you get your full-blown app within minutes. But for this project, we'll use Lovable. So our client portal is ready. That took just like 2 minutes. Your client portal dashboard is ready. Features polish login with navy teal design, collapsible dark side navigation, and all that. So it even gives us a logo. That's cool. So we'll just sign in now using our existing mail. This can be any mail because for this project we are not too strong on authentication and database. Subsequent project we're going to be deep diving into that. But for now, we just use any email and any password. It will work just fine. Sign in, and there you go. This is the client dashboard. So we have active project, pending invoice, total paid, average response time, and we are doing all this without writing a single line of code. This project status, web design, mobile development. You can see these are active projects. This is a pending project. So it gives us mock data because this data we did not input any of them. These are just mock data to show you the functionalities of your app. So this upload document section, we have recent upload here, and that's it. Then by the side, this is your sidebar. You also have project invoices here. You can check invoice with clients. Your client can check invoice with you, project dashboard. If we are to continue this, we would have just developed each of these sections, even down to our settings. But this is just to show the power of Lovable. So we can also publish. We can publish if we have a custom URL. You type in your URL in this text field here, but we don't have any, so we're just publishing for now. And when we click publish without giving the URL, Lovable will automatically generate a sample URL for us. So we just click on publish now. Here we can visit the URL new one. We can actually set this to either private or the public. So in just like 30 seconds to a minute, our URL will be ready. And then we can view our project live. Our URL is ready. We copy it, come to another tab, paste, and then see, we are live. So put in our mail, put in our password, sign in. So this is client config.lovable.app. One of the reasons I actually like Lovable with this URL is that it gives you something very relatable to your project. So this is what it looks like. Let's even test for mobile friendliness and see how it's also very responsive, as you can see. So that's all for this tutorial. In subsequent projects, we'll be deep diving into Lovable. We'll check on database because Lovable uses Supabase for its database. We'll also be cloning other common apps. But for now, this is it. See you again in the next one. Bye for now.